this is Tim here from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set song as your ringtone on your Android phone. So just swipe down from the top right and go to settings and scroll on down. And we can go to sound and vibrations, and we can go to ringtones, and we can change the recording right here. If we download something from like Pixabay or something like that, we can go to the plus icon and we can see the recordings in here, and we can select the ones that we want. So very easy to switch it there. Now you can go to websites like Pixabay or something like that, and then you can download songs on there. So if I just go to Google search and type in Pixabay and go to this website, we can download music through here, pixabay.com. This is royalty-free music. So for example, if I were to go to this sound right here and go to music, I can download it through here. So let's go to this, or you can just type something in. All you have to do is hit the download option. It'll download to your phone, and then you can change it in your settings. So that's one way to do it. This is royalty-free stuff. Now another way I like to do it is if I go to the Google Play Store, tap this, and I download something called Zedge. And this will allow me to get non-copyrighted stuff, like any kind of band or something that you want, Zedge. Or it has a lot of video game stuff, so Zedge, wallpaper, and ringtones open this up. I think this is a lot easier to do. So you got your custom ones from websites, and then you got all these different apps. So just hit the X, and then go to your whatever you want, really. So Halo theme, Master Chief, Elder Scrolls, or it could be like a popular artist or something like that. We can just go to ringtones now, and a lot of these are only like 21 seconds, 13 seconds. Halo 117, Sierra 117. So we can just tap this. Let's just play it real quick. So I don't know what that is, but we can go to the download option and then set as ringtone right here. And now it's updated as our ringtone on our phone. So that's two different ways to do it. If we download it, we can add it, or we can go to an app called Zedge. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.